Welcome to a behind-the-scenes view of Glen Ellyn Fire Station 62 at 681 Taft Avenue. This station is home to 2 engines, a truck, a boat, a brush truck and utility vehicle, 2 medic units, one of which is a reserve, and our original Engine 1. Station 62, otherwise known as Station 2, was originally constructed in 1972. Several renovations have occurred, most recently in the late 90s. As we enter the building from the west door, and immediately turn to our left, we enter a hallway with a stair. Here you'll see photos of the fire company going back at least 15 to 20 years. These photos are taken annually. As we turn right at the end of the hallway, we enter our day room. As we continue to turn the corner, we enter our radio room. The radio room's an office where we do our reports and, what you would expect, we have several radios to monitor fire and police channels. As we leave the radio room, we get our first glimpse through the day room of the apparatus bay floor. The first thing you'll see here on the left is our extractor, which is what we use to wash our bunker gear. On the right is a hose rack where we store hose. And this is our hose tower. It's a long way up where we hang our hose to dry. On the right is the hose washer and a regular washer dryer for regular clothing. Back out on the bay floor are our lockers where we store our gear. Above the lockers is a historic life safety net. We have a tool room here off to the right next to the fire pole, and a wash bay where we can wash vehicles. As we turn around, you will see Brush 62, our brush truck, and along our back wall, additional lockers. Behind Utility 62 is Marine 62. At the back of the station, we store various props and pieces of equipment for training. Here's our compressor for our cascade system to fill SCBA bottles. Here's where we store additional hose next to the lead ambulance. As we walk across the bay floor, we get a good view of Engine 63, Tower 62, and Lead Engine 62. If we go back to the front of the station and then go upstairs to the second floor, we have our training room. The room is used as a classroom and for meetings. We have a wall of different types of knots we learn to tie, and a wall with sprinklers and various building materials that help us learn how buildings are constructed and what supports them. As we open the door, we have an overlook of the bay floor as well as access to our fire pole at Station 2. As we go back downstairs and down the hallway, we enter our kitchen. This is where we cook meals, clean dishes, make coffee. If we were to walk past the kitchen and go down a little further, we see a medic's office to the right and our dining area, where we eat, relax, watch TV. You'll also see some screens here that give us information about calls going on all over DuPage County, as well as fire and medical calls in Glen Ellyn. We head out to the bay floor one final time to take a look at Engine 62 and Brush 62. Thank you for joining us at this tour of Glen Ellyn Fire Station 62.